Today's video is changing a headlight on a 2010 Prius. Pop the hood, lift the lever, raise the hood, place the kickstand. A flashlight is helpful. Notice that lime green piece to the left, that is your bulb. The new bulb is on the right, so you can get an idea of how to install it. Just reach in and rotate it. For me, clockwise worked better, and pull it out when you feel it release. It's a tight space and the cord is short. This is the new bulb, H11, if you have a yellow glow to your lights. The parts store guy told me that if you turn your lights on and you have a yellow glow, this is the bulb for you. There's another style that's an LED or something. The yellow one is the cheaper one, so I got lucky there. But most importantly, he said the lights are not interchangeable. To remove the old bulb, we'll have to make sure this tab is released from the wiring harness. This is where you'll need a screwdriver to wrangle that tab out of there. Okay, so just take your screwdriver, place it between the tab and the wiring harness fitting, and give it a little twist. And it didn't come off the first time, but I gave it another shot, and then it popped right off. And there you have it. Now I get to put the new bulb back in. Just line it up. Snap it in there. Just a little click. Yep. And find the opening. Easier to feel than to see. Okay, it's way back there, folks. Right there. It's deeper than you'd think. Okay, the best way I found is to just look at where your light is and head back and feel back that far, because it's just way back there. And I basically moved it clockwise and then rocked it backwards, and I heard it lock into place and gave it a little tug. There it is. From this angle, you can't see the green. This is the old one, and if you look towards the bottom, you can really see some black. Definitely burnt out. So let's turn on the lights and see how it went. And there we have it, the yellow glow. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.